is located inland from Moreton Bay, between the Sunshine Coast and the Gold Coast. The heart of the hillock city is its river, which snakes from Mount Stanley to the Coral Sea. Queensland is Australia's sunshine star and enjoys a subtropical climate, hot, humid summers and warm, sunny winters. In Brisbane, any time of year is a good time for adventurous outdoor activities along the river and coast. Experience the more relaxing side of Brisbane in the parklands, museums and bars. Brisbane still has that laid-back country feel that is so iconic for the land down under. However, it's Australia's third largest city, houses over 2 million people and is growing fast. Start your tour of the city on Brisbane's biggest hill. Mount Coot was already visited by the Aboriginal people after 40 Boundary Ferry downstream to New Farm Park, where the restored Power House has become a real institution of art and music lovers. On your way back, hop off at Kangaroo Point to climb the Story Bridge, one of the best spots to watch the sunset over the city. Book your guided tour for mid-afternoon because North turns early in Queensland. Get an early start and jump on a ferry to Moreton Harbour for a fun day out on the beach. Join a Segway tour.
Opening out like a fan from the shores of Port Phillip Bay, Melbourne is home to over 4 million residents and regularly features in the top rankings of the world's most livable cities. Founded on gold, it transforms this faraway settlement into one of the wealthiest cities in the world. Decades of prosperity created a metropolis filled with grand civic buildings, cathedrals, theatres and parks. Wander down the wide avenues of Collins and Burke Streets for old school architecture that'll make your eyes pop. Then hop on a train. Melbourne has the most extensive streetcar network in the world. No other space in the city says Melbourne like Federation Square. Overlooked by Flinders Street Station and St Paul's Cathedral, Fed Square does what Melbourne does best, artfully blending the elegance of yesteryear with edgy modern design. While you're at Fed Square, grab a ticket to one of Melbourne's hippest museums, the Australian Centre of the Living Image. Just hang out with locals and watch the river slide on by. While you're at South Bay, ride the elevator to the 88th floor of the Eureka Tower, named after the famous 18th century miners' rebellion. Closer to Earth, but just as heavenly, are the artworks and stained glass ceiling at the nearby National Gallery of Victoria. The city's grown on Melbourne since 1912. Take a ride on one of the world's largest roller coasters, but be sure to let those pastries settle first. From St Kilda, follow the boardwalk south to where the true giants of Melbourne architecture.
Down under, in the central business district, the Queen Street Mall displays all the country's big retail brands. Visit the nearby Brisbane Museum to learn about the Royal World and other events.
Cần râm lê mi phun ra tin lên ruột hồi cha na zu Alang lâu tlangin sim nakan lai ram do teni Nandam mo tiakut mem an tlai nga Ziltinim sin ahi tin bianem in tanamo Kafado nandam mo din Nashron ton mi di mit boy nu la o tiang hani Kafakan hamkan ngai tuk an pi Nakai ton nak rung lang với chip ding hu lang ra tu Đến dung chi đoan an
These are the
ra
who will be honoring soon at the school festival.
Tu ba thanin a kan
Any
chom
unlikely
tu
events of
se
an
nak
emergency,
lai ram
please follow the instructions of your CAT